Not your Barbie girl, I'm living in my own world. I am plastic, call me classic. You can't touch me there, you can't touch my body unless I say so. Ain't your Barbie, no. I'm living in my own world.
First up, we have primer. I'm using the Too Faced Primed and Poreless and the Too Faced Plump and Prime. Then for my foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless in True Beige and the Urban Decay Naked Skin in Medium Dark. Once again, I like to add in the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer because it gives it more of a smooth feeling when it goes on.
I can take myself on a dinner day, buy myself diamonds and the champagne, order 5 courses then chocolate cake. Acting like a can when I want a man, acting like I care but I don't. I do my own thing, yeah, watch me dance.
For my concealer, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin in Light Neutral. This one is a lot lighter than my normal color, but I want the under eye to really pop. Then with a damp beauty blender, go in and blend everything together.
I'm my own boss, I'm reminding you often, something that you just can't get. Words don't tempt me, trying to break me. In this year's I ain't trying to trip. No, I can take myself on a dinner day, buy myself diamonds and the champagne, order 5 courses then chocolate cake. Acting like a can when I want a man, acting like I care but I don't. I do my own thing, yeah, watch me dance. Not your Barbie girl, I'm living in my own world. I am plastic, call me classic. You can't touch me there.
I'm going to set my under eye in the Revolution Baking Powder in Banana and the e.l.f. HD Powder.
Did you forget I'm real? Oh, I'm breathing, touch me, feel.
For bronzer, I'm going in with the MAC and Patrick Star Give Me Life as an all-over bronzer, and then the Tarte Hotel Heiress as my contour.
I'm living in my own world. I am plastic, call me classic. You can't touch me there, you can't touch my body unless I say so. Ain't your Barbie, no. Ain't your Barbie, no. Ain't your Barbie, no. Not your Barbie girl, I'm living in my own world. I am plastic, call me classic. You can't touch me there, you can't touch my body unless I say so. Ain't your Barbie, no. Pull up to that dream house, God gate hills now. How much do you?
For blush, I am mixing the MAC Stubborn and Spring Sheen.
Go down, says got permission. I can take myself on a dinner day, buy myself diamonds and the champagne.
For my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Brow Zings Pro Palette by Benefit and the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in Ash Brown.
Not your Barbie girl, I'm living in my own world. I am plastic, call me classic. You can't touch me there, you can't touch my body unless I say so. Ain't your Barbie, no. I'm my own boss, I'm reminding you often, something that you just can't get. Words don't tempt me, trying to break me. In this year's I ain't trying to trip. No, I can take myself on a dinner day, buy myself diamonds and the champagne, order 5 courses then chocolate cake. Acting like a can when I want a man, acting like I care but I don't. I do my own thing, yeah, watch me dance. Not your Barbie girl, I'm living in my own world. I am plastic, call me classic. You can't touch me there, you can't touch my body unless I say so. Ain't your Barbie, no.
The first palette I'm using is the Tartelette in Bloom palette, and I'm using the color Sweetheart to go all over my lid. And then I'll go in with the same palette in the color Rebel and do just the outer corner, kind of blending it into the inside.
Put me in a box, you ain't gonna talk to me like that, you better stop. Not your Barbie girl, I'm living in my own world. I am plastic, call me classic. You can't touch me there, you can't touch my body unless I say so. Ain't your Barbie, no. Ain't your Barbie, no.
Next, I'm going in with the Bows of Color Blushing Berries. And this one, I'm mixing the mixed berry with the berry pop. And that's going to be for the under eyelid, because this look is going to have more of the pop of color underneath.
You can't touch me there, you can't touch my body unless I say so. Ain't your Barbie, no. Pull up to that dream house, God gate hills now. How much do you like this? Welcome to my bedroom, hallway, go down. Stairs got permission. I can take myself on a dinner date, buy myself diamonds and the champagne, order 5 courses then chocolate cake. Acting like I can when I want a man, acting like I care but I don't. And I do my own thing, yeah, watch me dance. Not your Barbie girl, I'm living in my own world. I am plastic, call me classic. You can't touch me there, you can't touch my body unless I say so. Ain't your Barbie, no. I'm my own boss, I'm reminding you often something that you just can't get. Words don't tempt me, trying to break me. In this years I ain't trying to trip. No, I can take myself on a dinner date, buy myself diamonds and the champagne, order 5 courses then chocolate cake. Acting like I can when I want a man, acting like I care but I don't. And I do my own thing, yeah, watch me dance. Not your Barbie girl, I'm living in my own world. I am plastic, call me classic. You can't touch me there, you can't touch my.
Next, I'm going in with the Lime Crime palette in the color Moth. This color is going to be just for the inner lid corner area to give it a little bit of shimmer.
Did you forget I'm real? Oh, I'm breathing, touch me, feel.
Now we add some eyeliner and some lashes, and bam! And now to pull the whole look together, we have the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Copenhagen and Transylvania.
Plastic, call me classic. You can't touch me there, you can't touch my body unless I say so. Ain't your Barbie, no. Ain't your Barbie, no. Ain't your Barbie, no.
Next, we are going in to add in a little highlight. We got the BECCA Afterglow in Rose Gold. This, of course, completes the look and adds some shimmer to your face. If you like this look, please subscribe below for other fun looks that I have planned for you guys. Oh, don't forget the setting spray.
Words don't tempt me, trying to break me. In this year's I ain't trying to dream. No, I can take myself on a dinner date, buy myself diamonds and the champagne, order 5 courses then chocolate cake. Acting like I can when I want a man, acting like I care but I don't, and I do my own thing, yeah, watch me dance.